Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to disable or remove this end-to-end encryption from Facebook Messenger. So as you can see right now, I'm in a Facebook Messenger conversation, and here we can see the end-to-end encrypted is turned on. And now I'm going to my Messenger settings, and here tapping on privacy and safety. And here we can see under security, end-to-end encrypted chats. And now I'll show you exactly how to remove these end-to-end encryption options from your Facebook Messenger app. To do that, you have to downgrade your Messenger app on your Android phone. So first of all, uninstall your current Messenger app. Once it's uninstalled, go ahead and launch a browser on your mobile phone and search for Messenger old version, and then open this first website. And here scroll down, and you have to download and install Messenger app, which updated or published in 2022. So here's some scrolling down and searching for. So all you have to need from here, download old Messenger version. So I'm going to opening my file manager and going to download section. And here, as you can see, I've already downloaded an older version of Facebook Messenger app. And now I'm going to install this older version of Messenger app. Once the Messenger app successfully installed, just open the Messenger app and tap on OK. Now, all you have to need, sign into your Messenger account. And once you successfully logged in, now go ahead and launch any chat or conversation and go to the about section. And here, as you can see, the end-to-end encrypted option has been successfully disabled. So I'm going to opening another conversation, going to info section, and as you can see, the end-to-end encryption option is not available. So this is how we can easily remove the end-to-end encryption from our Facebook Messenger. If this video will help you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.